Hi, welcome to Royal Modular Kitchen. Today I like to inform to the new type of modular kitchen video. The entire kitchen made up with a reflect glass finishing from Italy. This is located in Kerala, Kannur district, Talacheri town near Kadavattur. Well, the specifically of the kitchen is thin door shutters. The thickness is 22 mm. The thickness reflects glass like a mirror, which increase more luxurious look and very premium look this kitchen. And the kitchen very good looking. It is made up with PWP marine grade. The carcass is PWP marine grade. Here we can move important things. This is imported Italian hob over here. Gas cylinder has been placed in outside. The hob 5 burner. Triple ring we have placed center to the window. The window center side chimney, then this is the hob. While cooking, easily to assess and cooking ingredients. So we can place the two type of space rack, wooden space rack. Frequently we can place it. In this kitchen, two type of bifolding. One is left side of the hob, another one is right side of the hob. Easily we have decided uplift. Frequently we have to use with soft closing functioning. Now we can go and see the under inbuilt hob. Let's look. Here we can place tandem box with PVC cutlery tray, and we have placed one more tandem box under the hob. Actually, this is storing purpose. Now we can see the left side of hob induction stove next to hob with up 4 heating option with lot of specification probably it's there. Under we have used two type of tandem box and the type of very storage. Then right side of hob 3 type of tandem box. One is small size cutlery, we can use spoon and like lighter etc. we can use. Second one is 6-inch tandem box, third one is 8-inch tandem box. And the next is oil pull-up, come with wired basket, we can use cooking oil. And next we have used this corner areas, L type of corner. Here we have placed 3x4 carousel and across spin, and while we have to use storage up to 30 kg. You can use up to 30 kg, spin and take easily away. And we are in the side of wet area. In the kitchen 3 parts. So wet area, we have 2 tandem box near sink. Directly we can wash the plate and something and put here very easily. Then the storage under the sink, also the storage we have to under. Then the fully integrated dishwasher. Here we can see another corner. Then 2 type of corner we have to here. One type corner is that side, L type corner. On this side corner accessories. We have the placed corner organizer accessories which doors open along with the accessories. Even we can open the accessories in the door, like pull out and come inside the door. And we have to place another two tandem, two plain drawers from the storage. Then this is the towel rod. We can use the towel and papers and something. Then two tandem storage, wet area storage, lot of storage is available. We have occupied three type of pull out. Especially in the kitchen have placed three type of detergent tandem and something. Especially in the kitchen have placed Kalinga stone countertop. Gives very premium look. It is looking like a very royal look in this kitchen. The color is brown color, light brown color. So we have based unit look very eye catching. And now we have to move in the wall unit. In order, end we have to place by folding uplift. Now this side flop folding single door uplift. This is the very challenging one, very good one. We can stage by stage. We can lock stage by stage. This is the uplift. The easily access the accessories. And the next one is dish rack door. We can store plate and saucer inside. In below rack, large plates and plate top side. This is wash plates and easily keep there. And opposite wall unit, we have utilities separate for only storage purpose with adjustable cell. This is in bottom side. The kitchen is L corner. In the same L corner, we have positioning wall unit. Then another one side, that side also. Now we can see another straight corner along with open the door by the accessories. Then and we have placed 1 feet type of the boxes, two type of silver. This area is OTG area. Under the OTG, below the OTG, we can place the two type of wicker basket, big size with onion, tomato, like vegetable also keep there. And above the unit, in the storage unit, we can wooden shelf. Here we for the storage, another storage unit. We can see another storage unit. So finally, it is the kitchen sleeves are 2 or 3. More than we can increase more. This is the fridge area. So finally, this is the kitchen is looking so luxurious, royalty finishing with excellent design and so comfortable to use and well. This is first door are very easy to clean because the top layer in fixed with acrylic glass. No scratches, no strain, no color changing. Even it is unique color. In this kitchen, base units come with nutmeg brown color. So light brown color, and wall unities are ostrich green color. And we are have the fulfill your dream kitchen with 100% quality. For now we have to covering all state. Thanks to watching video.